Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see four-wheel driving car. This four-wheel driving car is going to be used in order to control this driving car, and this driving car will be made with Arduino board and motor shield. This motor shield is going to help us control the four motor in order to make our car moving forward or backwards. So this program will make this car moving in forward direction for 2 seconds and come back in back direction for 2 seconds. So don't forget to subscribe, make comment and share. We are going to start. First we are going to define what we are going to use. So this is the library which we are going to use. After defining the library which is going to help us, we are going to define also different type of motor which we are going to use. DC motor, this is DC motor 1. It means this is the first motor which is connected to the pin 1 of motor shield. So after we are going to define again DC, FDC, motor for motor 2. It is connected to the pin 2 of a motor shield. So define also for the remaining 2 motor 3 is connected to pin 3, and motor 4 which is connected to pin 4 of the motor shield. Those are the 4 motors and their connection on motor shield. So after defining those 4 motors, we are going to come back here in the loop. We are going to set how our motors going to work. First we are going to say motor 1 will be learn in forward direction. So after setting how our motor is going to learn, this is the first motor, and remember we have 4 motors. So in order to be fast, we are going to copy this one and change here to say it is a motor 2. Also is going to learn in forward direction, and we do the same for the motor 3 and motor 4. The motor 4 also is going to learn in forward direction. After setting the direction of our motors, we are going to set also the speed as we did. So say motor 1, then we set speed, at high or maximum. So here we set the speed for the first motor. We are going to do the same for all the remaining motor. So in order to be fast, we are going to copy this line and just modifying which motor we are setting. So this is for the motor 2, and now it is for motor 3. We set its speed. After setting, we go for motor 4. This is motor 4. So after setting the speed for motor 4, we are going to set the time these 4 motors will be learning. So we go delay, when you set it to second, after close. After this time, we are going to stop our car for 1 second. Say motor 1, learn, then we release it, as we said, now it is the first motor. We set at stopping motion, or we release it. We are going to copy this in order to be fast. Copy this line, paste it below, and change which motor. Now we set for motor 2, we go for motor 3. Just modify as we choose to copy and paste in order to be fast. So this is motor 4. Up to here, our car can move in forward direction for 2 seconds, then stop. After stopping, we are going to set for how long. Put delay, the time our car is going to stop. Let me put 1 second. This car will stop for 1 second. After stopping, we are going to set what is going to happen again. Now we are going to put our motor or our car to come back, to run in backwards. We say motor 1, run, say back in backward. So our motor will be running in backward. Okay, we set for the second motor. Motor 2, run, back, sorry, and backwards. Backwards. Okay. So we go for motor 3, run in backward. Sorry, you need to put this backward. If you don't put in uppercase, it is not going to do as you want. So you go for motor 4. Set it to run in backward. So here we have set our motor to move forward for 2 seconds. After moving forward for 2 seconds, it will be stopping. After stopping, it will be moving in backwards. So here, as you can see, from the beginning, this is, we define what you are going to use, the library which you are going to use, the 4 different motor which you are going to use, the first motor, the second, the third, and the fourth. Those are the 4 motor which we are going to use in order to control our robots. Then after we set all the 4 motor will be moving forward. So first of all, we have to give the direction to our car where it is going. If it is forward, we set it first. After setting the direction, we set the speed, because any car you set its direction, you have to set the speed on which this car is going to move. After setting the speed, we set the time for moving. We put 2 seconds, it is the time on which our car is going to move in forward direction. After setting the time for moving in forward, we set the time we stop our car. As we say, our car will be moving in forward direction. After moving for 2 seconds, it will stop. Then after stopping, we set the time. It will stop. This is 1 second. This is 1 second. Moving car, it will be stopping car, it will be stopping. After moving, stop for 1 second, it is going to come back in forward direction for, it is going to come back in backward direction for 2 seconds, which is here. After this process, it will be repeated except as long as you didn't set it to a stopping position. So after making this program, before going to see if it is going to do what we want, first we are going to save our program. We save it, press here to save. We say call it motor driving car. So after save it, we are going to verify. So we're going to verify if there's no error in our program. To see the program, it is comparing to check if there's no error in our program. If we find there's no error, we are going to connect our driving car and upload it after connected. So keep waiting to see if there's no error. If you find error, you have to correct it. As you can see, the comparing, it is done and there's no error in our program. So the next step, we are going to connect our driving car to this computer and upload it. Okay, after comparing and we find there's no error in our program, we take this motor driving car, which is made with Arduino board and motor shield and the 4 motor, which are each motor on one side. We're going to take this driving car and you connect to the laptop here and upload this program, which I have already verified and you find there's no error. After connecting this driving car on the laptop, you are going to upload the program on our motor driving car and see. Now after upload it, you see our driving car, it is moving in forward direction for 2 seconds. After moving for 2 seconds, it is stopped and come back in back direction. For the back direction, because we didn't set the time to stop, when it finish coming back for 2 seconds, it move forward direct, start without stopping. So this is the program of controlling a driving car. In order to move in forward direction for 2 seconds, stop and come back in back direction. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and make comment.